What's the first Yoga Sutra of the 196 Yoga Sutras written by Maharishi Patanjali? Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware and the very first sutra goes Atha Yoganushasanam. It means that now the discipline of yoga begins. What's the stress on now in this sutra? Why do you think did the 196 sutras begin with the word now? It means that there was something said before the Yoga Sutras were written. Maharishi Patanjali also authored two other books, one on grammar and the other one on Ayurveda. This was his third compilation and authoring of the Yoga Sutras. So, after having stressed on the word part, that is your language part of your existence, then the medicine part of your existence is he come to the yoga life of your existence. So, the word now means, in continuation with those two that he had written and let people know about, he carries on further by giving the wisdom, sharing the knowledge that he had on the yoga way of life. So that's the importance of having used the word now as the very first word to begin the Yoga Sutras with. There are also a few other reasons why the word now is used generally at the beginning of the sentence. And one such reason is to call back everybody's attention to the speaker. When you say now, suddenly look up, right? If you're busy with your phones, if you're listening to something, if you're distracted with some thought, if you're in the past, if you're in the future, when somebody says now, you suddenly look up or you come back, gather your thoughts and listen to the one who's speaking, isn't it? So that's exactly what was also done with beginning with the word now. And there's also third reason why this could have been done and is much contemplated upon is the fact that he also wanted to show authority in his subject. Then the word now meant that, hey, listen to me. Here I am about to share something which is priceless, pearls of wisdom with you all. So now, listen to me. What he follows after now is with the word yoga. And here, according to the Yoga Sutras, according to Maharishi Patanjali, what yoga means is samadhi. And what samadhi for me is, before you get into the ultimate samadhi state, it is materialistically and in this worldly existence, it is about we becoming one with who we are. That's the first step towards the samadhi state, isn't it? Are we comfortable with who we are? Do we own who we are? Or do we repent or regret who we are? Do we want to be somebody else? Are we aping somebody else? Or are we embracing the gifts that we are endowed with and born with on this planet? And if we are living our gifts, our purpose, then we are very close to uniting with our own selves. Are we okay with we being angry? Are we okay with we being sad? Or are we always running after some positive emotion, ignoring the other side of our personality? And if we are, then we are not in yoga. Yoga means union in Sanskrit, and union of all parts of us, the good and the bad, the beautiful and the ugly, all that makes all that we are is yoga. So that for me is step one towards the ultimate goal, which is samadhi, which is the ultimate union with the universe. and the universe outside of us and the universe within us. That's the union that yoga is for me. So to begin with, let's unite with the universe within. And the third segment of the sutra is Anushasan. And Anushasan here means discipline. So now let's begin to look at yoga, which is a disciplined way of life, which is a discipline that's been followed for ages and will be done so by the wise for ages. And here I come, present the same to you all. So that's what the first sutra means, Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Now let's begin by understanding the discipline of yoga. And he goes about explaining the 8 limbs on which the yoga discipline stands. And let's look at all of those in the upcoming videos every Monday. Hope you loved what I had to share about the first sutra of the Yoga Sutras, and there are 196 of them. I will see you next Monday with the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked it, please subscribe to my channel for many more such beautiful content on Yoga Sutras, on Veda, on the yoga life, and just about loving yourself. That is self-love. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! I love you very, very much.